Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to upload guys Samsung phone guys phone dual Facebook guys. How can we disable? Friends, you don't want to use guys your Samsung phone guys dual Facebook setting. Friends, you want to disable it, so friends you can disable easily. And friends, now let's see how can we disable Samsung phone guys phone dual Facebook. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable guys Samsung phone dual Facebook. So guys, where is dual Facebook guys? You will have to on guys phone advanced setting guys. This advanced features guys we will on it, then guys scroll it. Dual Facebook means get dual messenger here, tap here. Once you can see dual Facebook guys we have. So guys we will disable from here guys, click on uninstall and cancel. So guys click on uninstall. So once come back, once you can see guys the dual mess Facebook will disable on your screen. We have only one Facebook. So like that guys we can disable guys Samsung phone dual Facebook. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.